Alright, so it's recording.
Wait. Go! Let's start to turn the backhoe. Turn the backhoe.
So much easier. I spent 2 hours digging this hole, this little trench. I did that in a minute, less than a minute.
You only did in like 20 seconds. You only did in like 20 seconds. I'm still taking a video. It's 6 minutes, 40 seconds.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Showing on the video.
Alright. I'm excited. We should be able to put in our French drain now. Relatively short amount of time.
I'm just trying to show up the backhoe and very close up.
And after we run
See how that grass came up. The green of the grass on here, it actually blends in. Can you see it on this video?
I'm sure we can. See, I had to be real careful. I almost caught my conduit right here.
What conduit?
See that pipe right there?
Oh yeah.
That's electrical. I had to be super careful. I didn't catch that with the bucket. That could have been bad. It could have electrocuted me. All right.
How?
So after I run it for 20 hours, then we can ramp up the RPMs, and it'll go faster.
I'm still showing off. Can you see that grass on here? On the dirt in the video? Just look. Look in the video and try to see the grass. See it?
Yep.
It looks just like this.
Yep, it's camouflage. Alright, that's pretty cool, man. So now we gotta go fix the grease gun.
And then we can make it go faster.
And then grease everything.
And make it go faster.
Well, it's gonna take time.
Here are the holes that these beans made. The holes that they made in
so those are stabilizers.
Stabilizers. They made holes. Up close. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Take an up close look at the controls, because you didn't get to see the controls in the video. See it? And then got tires all over here. That was actually pretty cool. Coolest thing I've seen. Coolest thing I've seen. This video is 9 minutes and 20 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah. It's almost 10. Spin the seat real quick.
Let's see what this control does.
What control?
I think it's just a locking knob. Oh, it's the recline.
Oh,
it's a reclining seat.
That's cool.
That is cool.
You'll get used to it.
Huh?
You'll get used to that. So when you want to recline, can you spin that seat for a second? Because I want to show the video.
Roll around.
Yeah. And I didn't see it recline, but I don't need to see that.
Yeah.
I'll see it later.
Yep.
Clean air filter regularly or voids warranty. 15-20 minutes every 3 months, and add fuel. Sustainabilizer or voids warranty.
What's that word again?
It's what?
Say it.
Stabilizer.
Very good.
I remember. Gas only.
Alright. That's
User must operate properly or voids warranty.
Yeah.
So 15-20 minutes every 3 months. I don't know what that means.
well, that means if it sits for 3 months, that you need to run the engine for 15 to 20 minutes every 3 months. So this isn't a tool that we're going to use every week or every day. So it's probably going to sit for quite a while.
For 3 months. Probably.
So, well, at least. It may be 6 months or a year.
We're
when
gonna
it
have
sits.
this for a while.
And so we're gonna have it forever. This will be good on property when we buy our property.
Yeah.
So
If
what
we
that's
have,
saying is that you want to run the engine every 3 months.
it's only 11 minutes.
Okay, you can probably stop the video. So they want you to run the engine for 15 to 20 minutes every 3 months so that you keep everything lubricated and keep all the seals fresh. Otherwise, everything starts to dry out. When things dry out, things start breaking. What do you think? Is that pretty cool?
Cool. And we can also
Hey, careful, this is hot.
all the valves are showing the valves.
So now we're going to need to check the hydraulic oil level.
Why?
Well, we've flushed out all the lines, all the errors out of the line, which means that
12 minutes, 20 seconds.